Hey, I'm Avery, and I use he, they pronouns. I have known that I wasn't a female from like age 13. Well, I mean, like I knew before then, but I didn't know what it was. So it was like, hey, I don't like doing these stereotypically feminine things. I was like, I need help. What am I doing? How do I exist? And someone was like, hey, there's more than two genders. And I was like, whoa, you what? It was a terrible process. Because starting from age 13 and starting in a high school that was full of awful kids that liked to be bullies. And I've acquired a lot of battle scars, as I like to call them, from it. It's not being happy with myself and my body, because this ain't the right body. So I started self-abuse when I was in year 7, I believe. So a lot of it back then was just bullying from kids, because kids are awful. And I was a bit on the chubbier side, and they were like, fat, and I'm like, I hate myself. Like, I didn't do it as often back then, just because like in school it was harder to hide that shit. I was a bit scared with it back then, so everything was only superficial, so that's why I didn't have any scars from back then. But they became a lot less superficial, and they got deeper, and there are a few on my body that were actually slip-ups from accidentally going too deep. In like other senses, I took care of them. I didn't like let them get infected or anything like that, because I knew that I wasn't doing it to die. I was doing it to cope and to feel, because a lot of my life has just been feeling numb, and I still get it if I do like plan to self-harm, like in recent events. I get like a lot of in my head voices.
How do you feel after? Do you feel relief?
Yeah, there's a lot of release, like the after sting, I guess, that you get from it. That's like, oh, I'm actually real in a body, and I'm actually like, yeah, this thing, it bleeds and it feels, and I can actually feel for an unspecified amount of time. With the dysphoria, I guess, came dissociation. Like, I dissociate a lot. I still dissociate. Yeah, that probably like is from not only like the depression and anxiety and stuff and other mental illnesses that I do possess, but yeah, a lot from the dysphoria, because like, yeah, I just live with seeing these things every single day. Like, I can't look in mirrors. Yeah, no, gender dysphoria is fucking awful. Oh my god, it is awful. Starting T is gonna be a good time. Like, that is gonna alleviate a lot of shit. But yeah, that's gonna definitely alleviate a lot of the dysphoria. So it's probably when I start growing facial hair, I'm just gonna like lose my shit. I'm gonna be like, fuck, manliness, approach me.